What's up, guys? This is your boy Cameron with Clams Gaming, bringing y'all my first compilation video to let y'all know about my gaming streaming channel at Clams Gaming on Facebook, YouTube, Mixer, but you can find me also as well on Twitch at twitch.tv/CamTheClamps. I will put all of this stuff down in the bio or the description, man, so y'all can check it out. Let's get into the video.
You're gonna have to move to the defense. Tom Cruise on a mission, undefeated. The jewel off on my wrist, I need to freeze it. Back inside my town, shit get crazy when I'm back and I'm around, Now we up, it's going down, Playing motion, we ain't never out of bounds. Gotta make myself known when I'm walking in. And I don't use my cell phone, I ain't talkative. Way too many cars for the loud, we can't park in it. Can't even park on the block, cops starting shit. Oh well, miss me with the bullshit. Can't fuck with my mood, shit get crazy when we pull up. It's a mental institution. Introduce them as the goat, I'm so amusing. On my own, I make the rules, and when we out, it's like a movie. Well, I can't waste my time, I won't get it back. No. Never do a lot, I'm just kicking back. You get out of line, we ain't into that. Black trucks come from mine, we gon' send it back. It ain't no remorse for the weak shit. So you gon' have to move through the defense. Tom Cruise on a mission, undefeated. Hit the jewel off on my wrist, I need to freeze it. I don't wanna compromise, I monopolize. I need all of the control on my own. It could rain, sleet, hail, thunderstorm, even snow. If the bag call my name, I'm on go. Made tag, been the cleanest, have you seen it? Give me straight cash. Pull it out like the ATM in a fly, bitch. Make her sing like Pia Mia, I go shopping. Tax returns with my receipts and make a hit. Knock it out the park and then take a trip. Pardon my departure, got a membership. You could check my card, I've been on different shit. Live like I'm immortal, plus I'm wanna win. Can't lose, never folding. Build a snowman, jewels cold, shit is frozen. Feel like Tony, Scarface, I'm reloaded. 100 soldiers, if war's on, we control it. I can't waste my time, I won't get it back. Never do a lot, I'm just kicking back. You get out of line, we ain't into that. Black trucks come from mine, we gon' send it back. It ain't no remorse for the weak shit. So you gon' have to move through the defense. Tom Cruise on a mission, undefeated. Hit the jewel off on my wrist, I need to freeze it.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it and my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, what they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Luda yak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a Khaled remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do is
win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Up, down, cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Swerving in my low, head on a swivel, you know serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Khaled, back it up, my call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull up. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that mud life. Dirty money, better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like
All we do is win.
you riding the what? Cause we riding the night. Now she wasn't riding.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
Man, well, I really hope y'all did end up liking the video that I did make for y'all today, man. I'm trying to put a lot of effort into my stream channel, and I hope y'all have the time to be able to check it out. Xbox game, streaming every single day, man. I'm around about 7 to 10. Definitely check it out. But I gotta go now, man. Again, love for y'all to check out my handles. I got Clamps Gaming on Facebook. You also can find me at twitch.tv/CamTheClamps. Also on YouTube as well, Cam the Clamps or Clamps Gaming. And you can also find me on Twitter and Instagram at Clamps Gaming as well. And if y'all see the video, make sure y'all do get a like and a share. And I'm definitely gonna bring more content to you soon. Again, this is Cameron with Clamps Gaming. Y'all have a good one, man. Take care.